How to remove Powered by Shopify on down theme. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, you need to click on the three dots at the top left of the screen. And from here, from the sales channels section, click on online store and then themes. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the current theme section. And as you can see, I have the down theme as the default one. So what you need to do from here is click on the actions drop down and then click on edit languages. From the search bar, search for Powered by. And scroll to links. As you can see, Powered by Shopify. Click on the text field, and here you have a lot of options that you can do. You can just type in space, so it'll be like nothing will show, or you can add in the zero with joiner, which is the transparent emoji, or you can literally type in anything you want right here and it will be displayed instead of Powered by Shopify. Once you do that, I added space, for example. Click on the save button at the top right of the screen and the Powered by Shopify will be hidden from your down theme. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove or delete the Powered by Shopify in the down theme. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.